Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow acorn squash. First, select a location that receives full sun and has rich, well-draining soil. Plant your acorn squash seeds about 1 inch deep, ensuring they are spaced 3 to 4 feet apart to allow for ample growth. For best results, make sure the soil temperature is consistently above 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit before planting. This helps with successful germination and strong initial growth. Once your acorn squash plants are established, consistent care is key. Water them deeply, especially when the weather is dry, aiming for about 1 inch of water per week. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced vegetable fertilizer to support healthy growth and fruit production. Keep an eye out for common pests such as squash bugs and vine borers, and address them promptly to protect your harvest. Knowing when to harvest your acorn squash is crucial for flavor and storage. Look for a dark green, hard skin, which usually occurs 80 to 100 days after planting. Use a sharp knife or pruners to cut the stem, leaving 1 to 2 inches attached to the squash. After harvesting, cure your squash for 7 to 10 days in a warm, dry area. This process improves flavor and extends storage life. After curing, store your acorn squash in a cool, dry place, ideally between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid storing them in humid environments, as this can lead to spoilage. With proper storage, your delicious acorn squash can last for 2 to 3 months, allowing you to enjoy your harvest well into the colder seasons. For more great tips and deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.